With over 15 million units sold, the E-Class is the best-selling Mercedes-Benz car. It is a luxury executive sedan that is packed with features, and today we're taking a look at the top-spec Mercedes-Benz E-Class available in the UAE. Welcome to DubiCars' in-depth review of the 2021 Mercedes-Benz E300. It's time to find out what sets this sedan apart in its segment. The E-Class carries refined elegance, which is a symbol, a hallmark of the Mercedes-Benz brand. From its sleek lines to the iconic grille with the three-pointed star, every detail showcases sophistication. The LED headlights and DRLs add modernity. The E300 is the top-spec trim of the E-Class in the UAE, hence you get these stylish 14-spoke 20-inch alloy wheels. Measuring 4,955mm in length, the E300 is pretty long, which only adds to the luxurious feel. At the rear are split LED tail lamps that are inspired by the ones on the flagship S-Class. The dual exhaust outlets and the chrome trim on the bumper make the sedan look stylish. If luxury and comfort are of great importance to you, you'll surely like the interior. The craftsmanship and level of detail in this cabin is exactly what you'd expect from a luxury Mercedes-Benz sedan. Premium materials are found on every surface, starting with the leather, the high-quality piano black plastics, aluminium inserts and switches, or the forward trim. This black interior is very appealing indeed. Infotainment is taken care of by dual 12.3-inch screens. This one is a touchscreen and is complete with Mercedes-Benz's MBUX interface, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With ample legroom and headroom in the rear, long journeys are a pleasure for everyone on board. Under the lengthy bonnet is a 2-liter turbo-petrol inline-4 engine. It produces 254 horsepower and 370 Nm. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, it offers smooth power delivery and effortless acceleration. Its small engine size allows it to be efficient, while it still has enough power to keep you entertained when you put the pedal to the metal. With the suspension in the comfort setting, it munches miles, keeping you in the lap of luxury, while you switch it to sport mode and it becomes more lively. This is a stellar example of luxury and performance almost seamlessly blending together. From its elegant design to its cutting-edge technology, every aspect of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class showcases class and sophistication. Find this 2021 Mercedes-Benz E-Class from Kawak on DubiCars. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to DubiCars for more such automotive content. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay passionate about cars.